Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First, you need to open your Instagram app. And after that, you need to tap on your story on the top left. From here, tap on Camera. And after that, record a story. Once you're done recording, tap on the audio icon on the top to remove sound. Now, tap on the sticker icon from the top. And from here, you need to go to Music. Now, search whatever music you want. You can also scroll through and select a random music. And as you can see, the music has been added to our story. And once we're here, you'll get to see a round button with a number on it on the left. With this, you can set the time of the music. But as you can see, you cannot change it because it is a video. So it will play the same duration as the video. So what you can do is add the same song individually on different parts of the story from where it left off in the previous part. To do it this way, you need to be as precise as possible. And also, it might take up a lot of your time. So in order to do this, I will be showing you another way you can try. To do that, close your Instagram app. And after that, go to your Play Store. Here, tap on the search bar and search Power Director. Now, tap on the Power Director app. And after that, you need to install the app. As I have it installed already, I'll open the app. Now, close the ads on the app. And after that, tap on New Project. Now, select whichever video you want to post on your story. And then just put the music and edit it together. This way you can post it directly on your story.